Welcome back to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Boeing 777X represents one of the most ambitious steps forward in modern commercial aviation, blending advanced engineering with passenger-focused enhancements to redefine what long-haul travel can feel like. When people hear the name 777, they think reliability, long-range capability, and a strong history of performance. The 777X takes all of that and pushes it a generation ahead, combining cutting-edge aerodynamics with brand-new systems designed to reduce fuel burn, increase comfort, and support airlines operating some of the world's longest routes. In this review, we're taking a deep dive into the aircraft's key features, performance elements, design innovations, and unique selling points that set it apart from both older Boeing aircraft and current competitors. One of the first things anyone notices about the 777X is the wings. This aircraft features the largest composite wings ever built for a Boeing jet, stretching wider than even the legendary 747's wingspan. But what really makes them special is the folding wingtip mechanism. On the ground, the tips fold upward to maintain compatibility with standard airport gates, keeping operations simple for airlines. In flight, though, the wings fully extend to maximize aerodynamic efficiency. This combination helps the 777X achieve better lift, smoother performance at high altitudes, and a significant reduction in fuel consumption compared to earlier models. These wings are not just visually impressive, they play a central role in making long flights more efficient and environmentally friendly. Powering the 2026 777X is another major advancement, the GE9X engines. These are the world's largest and most fuel-efficient commercial jet engines, designed with a blend of lightweight materials, advanced cooling systems, and a quieter, cleaner combustion process. While the size might sound intimidating, the technology inside is all about refinement. The GE9X helps reduce noise footprint around airports and cuts emissions, which is becoming crucial as global regulations grow stricter. For passengers, less engine noise translates to a more peaceful cabin experience, especially during takeoff and climb. For airlines, the improved fuel efficiency means lower operating costs on long-haul routes, strengthening the business case for this aircraft. Stepping inside the 777X, passengers will notice Boeing's continued focus on cabin comfort, building on the success of the 787 Dreamliner. The cabin features larger windows than any other commercial plane, electronically dimmable for a comfortable in-flight experience. The interior also uses higher humidity levels and lower cabin altitude to create a more natural breathing environment. These adjustments might sound minor, but frequent travelers know they have a major impact on reducing fatigue, especially on ultra-long flights. Mood lighting blends smoothly throughout the cabin, shifting colors to match different phases of the flight, helping to regulate passenger sleep cycles and reduce jet lag. Another interior highlight is the flexibility in cabin layout. Airlines can configure the 777X for luxury, high-density travel, or a mix of both, depending on their market. Many carriers are expected to include upgraded business class suites with sliding doors, improved premium economy seating, and refreshed economy cabin designs with better legroom and more accessible entertainment systems. Overhead bins have been expanded to allow easier storage of carry-on baggage, keeping the cabin clean and stress-free during boarding and deplaning. The quietness of the GE9X engines, paired with improved insulation around the fuselage, helps keep noise levels low throughout the cabin, especially around the wings where older planes tended to be louder. From a design perspective, the 777X maintains the iconic shape of the 777 family but incorporates several modern refinements. The fuselage structure uses advanced alloys and composites to reduce weight while preserving durability. The nose profile has been redesigned slightly for better airflow and aesthetic appeal. The cockpit resembles the Dreamliners, featuring larger digital displays, touchscreen capabilities, and upgraded avionics that aid pilots in navigation and fuel optimization. Boeing's fly-by-wire system has been refined for smoother control inputs and improved stability in turbulence, enhancing safety and comfort. In terms of performance, the 2026 777X is built to dominate long-range operations. Depending on the variant, it is capable of flying some of the world's longest commercial routes with ease, carrying hundreds of passengers across continents without the need for refueling stops. Its fuel burn improvements offer roughly double-digit percentage savings over older 777 models, making it one of the most efficient wide-body aircraft in its class. This gives airlines increased route flexibility, allowing them to connect more distant city pairs while keeping operational costs under control. The 777X's powerful engines and extended wings also enable smoother climbs, improved cruise stability, and reliable performance even in challenging weather patterns. One of the unique selling points of the 777X is how it bridges the gap between large-capacity jets like the 747 and modern twin-engine wide-bodies like the 787. Airlines that once relied on quad-engine aircraft for mass-market long-haul flights now look to the 777X for similar capacity with far better efficiency. It offers room for large, premium cabins, high-density seating, and cargo flexibility, all while maintaining the benefits of a twin-engine aircraft. For airports, the folding wingtips mean the 777X can fit into existing infrastructure without requiring expensive upgrades. For pilots, the cockpit commonality across Boeing models simplifies training and makes transitions easier. Environmental sustainability is another major part of the aircraft's identity. Airlines worldwide are under pressure to cut emissions and operate more responsibly. The 777X addresses this through a combination of engine efficiency, aerodynamic improvements, and lighter materials. Although no aircraft can eliminate emissions entirely, the improvements built into the 777X significantly reduce per-seat carbon output, making it a more sustainable choice for long-haul travel compared to older jets still in operation. Overall, the 2026 Boeing 777X stands out as a strong evolution of an aviation icon. It combines the proven reliability of the 777 family with cutting-edge engineering, stronger performance, and a cabin experience designed to satisfy travelers on journeys lasting 10, 14, or even 18 hours. From its massive composite wings and folding wingtips to its ultra-efficient GE9X engines and improved passenger environment, the 777X is shaping up to be one of the most important wide-body aircraft of this decade. For aviation enthusiasts, passengers, and airlines alike, it represents the next step in long-range travel, a blend of power, efficiency, and comfort that takes the 777 legacy into the future.